In this video, we are going to look at enabling microphone access and selecting a microphone so we can speak to an AI character. If we want to use voice, we must enable permissions for the microphone in the browser settings. Once the browser allows the microphone, the platform will usually prompt us to choose which microphone to use inside the experience. If we have multiple devices, they'll show up here. We select the correct one and save. And now we can speak directly to the character. While we're talking, we'll see the microphone animation. When we stop, the experience processes what we've said, then the bot responds. If the microphone isn't picking up sound, we will see an alert that says, having trouble hearing you. Usually the platform will attempt 3 times to try to capture your voice. If it fails the 3rd time, we can try again. We could open microphone settings to select a different device, for example, or we could switch to text input to keep going. So either way, we're covered. Troubleshoot and fix permissions, continue with text input, or enable voice and choose the right microphone.